On the early morning of June 20th, 2024, the Miami Beach Police Department responded to the scene of call for service at the local marina. The following shows the body-worn camera footage of what happened during the incident.
Call back up. This guy's getting aggressive. Where is he? It's a rapper on the T-head. Okay. He's getting aggressive. He pushed the owner. He ripped the shirt. Okay. He started tapping me, pushing everyone. Okay. 144.
Are they on the boat?
Yes, they're on the boat. Show me arrival 300 Walton.
On
the end, at the very end.
To the right or to the left?
Directly, the boat you see directly before. QSL, so we're being advised of individual story, right? Just stand here and leave it open? Okay. Just be advised that the subject's still irate. Yo! Everyone put their hand on their head. Everybody put their hands on their head. Everybody put their hands on their head. Come here. Do you have a firearm on you? Sir. Yo. Come here. Buddy, do you have a firearm on you?
Stands when they first pulled up. But I wasn't getting off this boat because I felt disrespected because this captain kicked the door open.
Just have a seat for me.
I'm gonna sit right here.
Have a seat for me. Wait right here.
I'm gonna stand over.
Have a seat.
Have a seat.
Have a seat.
Just do what we asked you. Have a seat.
I think there's more people in there.
Yeah. Are you the? Who's the owner?
He's the captain.
Okay. So what happened?
Let me give you a rundown real quick, and you can correct me if I'm wrong. Basically, he's the captain of the boat. The owner of the boat kind of like rents it out.
No, he wasn't here.
No, I know, but the owner rents out the boat. People pay. He takes them out, correct? They come back, they leave. He said they docked. He was supposed to leave. It was 20 minutes past the time that this guy was supposed to get on the boat. He said that he went to the bathroom.
We gave him like an extra 20 minutes, so like it was his courtesy, you know, like a...
Okay, so he said the guy was in the bathroom. He goes knocking on the door, open the door. The guy opens it, and he starts pushing you, right? Like saying,
It wasn't a bathroom, it was a bedroom. So like
bedroom, okay. So the guy didn't want to leave basically because he was in there with a woman, a female.
Yeah.
And then this is that's the guy's his security.
So who did someone push you? Was there any physical contact?
He did. Many times.
Okay, let me ask you this. Do you want to press charges against him?
I just want him to do.
Okay, so all you want us to do right now is get him off the boat?
I just want him to do.
How many people are also with him?
I don't know if the owners want to press charges. So like he jumped from the boat, he trespassing like he did many things. So like not on me.
Where's the owner of the boat? Inside?
There's more people inside?
Can you have him
Sir,
sit
does
down?
he have any other property that belongs to us on your boat?
For him?
It's no questions.
Okay.
Look, no.
Hey,
Time out.
sit down.
I'm with
sit
you.
down.
I'm with
sit
you.
down.
I ain't gonna lie though.
Sit down.
I ain't gonna lie though.
Hey, I told you to sit down.
Courtney on my kids. I'm sitting down with you.
Put
I'm
your
with
phone
you.
down. Put your
I'm
phone
with
down.
you. I'm with you. I'm with you. What's your name?
Officer Kamache.
Okay, Kamachi.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, Kamachi. My name is
Nice to meet you.
Webster. Last name Webster. What's your name?
Alvarenga.
Huh?
Alvarenga.
You're not gonna shake my hand?
No, I have.
Okay. What's your name?
I'm not shaking.
Relax, you're good.
I told you to sit down.
Hey, listen.
Okay. What's your name?
You need to listen.
I just want to know names before
Okay,
y'all talk
don't
to
worry.
me. That's it.
What's going on? Why are you getting so worried?
I rented this charter. I rented this charter for a very good time. I ain't gonna lie, I had the best time of my life ever.
Your phone.
I know my phone's on.
Yeah, don't
This is the
worry.
best time of my life I ever had. Actually.
Correct me if I'm wrong. They just want him.
I know they.
Listen, nothing. Here's what I'm off.
I know they want me gone.
Do you have anything in that boat that
Man, what? No. But what I want to do is have a real conversation. Cause I'm a real turnt person. I like to have a real good time, right? And when I rent something, to me, these boats out here in Miami ain't talking about nothing. A 90-foot or a 100-footer is nothing to me, regardless. If they renting boats out for 4 hours or 8 hours, it's nothing to me.
Okay, so what is it that you want?
I don't want anything.
So you
All I
so
want
we can-
is the respect, and I was gonna leave. But now ain't nobody gonna move me off of nothing. They can call
we don't know.
911, 1011, 1111, but nobody's gonna move me off of nothing.
Hey, sit down. You
I
see?
will sit down. I will sit down.
You're not
I will sit down.
listening.
I'm with you.
Hey, let's take a walk. Come on, grab your
I'm
stuff.
with you.
Hey, grab your stuff. Thanks, but hey,
Nah, I'm not
that's
grab. Hey, security.
That's your security guy, right?
Grab that.
Damn, like that, bro?
Yeah, it's like that. On my kids, it's like that. On my kids, it's like that. Because it's billions up. On my kids, it's like that. Please don't. I can walk with you.
Wait.
Don't touch me.
Hey,
What you want
sit
to do?
down. I didn't tell you to
What
leave.
you want to do? You want me to sit
I
down?
want you to sit down.
You want me to sit down with you?
Yes.
What else you want me to do?
Because I'm going to check what you got in your bag.
Yeah, it's hard number hard drives and
Yeah,
laptops.
but listen, okay?
What else?
You want to be cordial? So
I'm
start
super
listening.
cordial. One thing you know about me, I'm the smoothest motherfucker around.
So just listen
You
to
gonna learn
us,
quick.
and that's it.
Ain't nothing on me, baby.
I'm telling you to sit down, and you still...
You asked me to
Listen,
check
you
it.
sit down.
Sit down. Make sure you check that backpack, though. Check that backpack, because you actually check it. What's your
Yes,
name?
I'm checking. Come and check.
Kamechi. Make sure you check that backpack. Mama, check that backpack. Please. You see how they get you up out of here? They tone you down quick. That's crazy.
Hey, yo, my man. Yo,
Hey, you touching me.
Hey, y'all, touch you. Hey,
See how
do
you
me a
touch
favor,
me?
chill, okay?
I'm chilling.
Chill.
You told me
Hey,
to sit down.
we're gonna
Now,
go for a walk, man.
I wanted to go for a walk.
I know,
but
I
you
wanted
told
to
me
go for a walk
sit
with
down.
you
Now
too,
you want
bro.
to check the backpack. Make sure y'all
We'll go for a
you want
walk,
to sit
bro.
down or you want to check the backpack? I gotta
Go
sit
for a
down.
walk, bro. Go for. Hey, security.
Kameche! What you
Yo,
want me to do,
security.
Kameche?
Hey, security.
You want me to sit down or stand up?
Hey, let's go
You
for a
want me
walk.
to sit down?
Now let's go for a
You
walk.
want me to walk? Come on now. Hey yo,
I was gonna take him for
hey
a
yo,
walk,
I want to see them videos too.
Let's go, sir.
Yeah,
Hey yo, this is my game.
Turn around.
This is my game right here. Everybody with me, 12 with me, baby. On the hood.
You're gonna fall in the water, bro.
I'm never gonna fall in the water, and I can swim. Everybody with me, they with me, mama.
Can I get him into the car?
You ain't gonna escort me to the beach? Nah. You ain't gonna do me like that. I need the whole squad to take me to the car. I need everybody to take me.
Yeah, the chef.
Everybody gotta take me to the car. I need the whole gang. No, that's a security man, bro. I need my whole gang to take me to the beach. Hold on now. Yes, sir, man. You know how we slide through this motherfucker. Where my gang? Kameche!
Yo.
Nah, Kameche got it. Kameche! Walk me to the beach, Kameche! You gonna lock me up.
You want to? You want it? Hey, do you want it? Get in the car, bro. You want it? You want it? We've been good to you. Come on. All right, bro. Hey, have a good night, bro.
How y'all been good to me? I've been
Donna, Travis. Hey, Scott. Take care, bro.
y'all don't do me like that.
Yes, I'm from Park 11 and Josh. 238.
Yo.
Hey, it's in the glove box.
Okay.
It's in the glove box.
Nah, take this shit out of the glove box.
You can take it. I ain't touching. I ain't touching nothing.
You ride with me?
All right, bro.
We gonna catch a fade.
What? Call the owner and see how you can get it back.
I need you to come with me though, bro. They gonna call you if I don't.
Call the owner and see how you can get it back.
I don't have no
Hold
other
on.
number.
I'm gonna pay.
I ain't got nothing on me. Come on, brother.
Call the owner and see how you can get it back.
I'm on the phone with the lady that booked the boat. I didn't book this boat for me.
Okay, well you have to call her and get it.
I need you to help me though.
You're not gonna get back on that boat.
So I gotta call 911.
You're not gonna get back on the boat.
I don't need you to get. I don't need to get back on the boat. All I need you to do is walk back to me and let them know that I left a green bag on
All
there.
right, then stay in the car.
I know.
Then you're not gonna go back over there.
I don't want to go back over
Okay,
there.
then stay back in the car.
Can I just walk
No,
with you?
I already told you. No, you're not going back on the boat.
I don't want to go back on the boat.
That's what I'm telling you. Then wait over here.
It's so much room over here.
Okay, there's a lot of room over here too. You can wait right there.
Why you think I'm aggressive?
I'm not being aggressive. I'm just asking you to wait right there.
I got a phone on the boat, bro. I got.
Okay, that's fine. But I'm gonna ask you to wait right there, and then I'll go check for your bag. No,
I'm a legal citizen.
no, you can't go back over there. You can't go back over there.
I have a camo bag on the boat.
Okay, we're gonna go after there.
Officers and the other officers let me know that the security that I kicked out my car had my bag. I didn't know that.
Okay.
So that's the only reason I put it was my phone and my bag.
Yeah, and we also went back to the boat to double check to see if your property's on there. There was nothing on
Okay.
there.
Well, he told me that the security left my, but that's the security, and I told him, why didn't the security just leave it back in my car? I just didn't know that. I don't have his number. The security wasn't hired through me. It was hired through my assistants and everybody else. I have my phone, everything.
So with that, then when
And I understand that. I'm here by myself. I'm not here with nothing, nobody extra. It's me and people. So for 13 or 30 cops to pull up for me and 4 people, I'm not doing all that.
it wasn't 30 cops. You gotta understand why we were there to begin with. What's the nature of the call, how the call came
I
out.
get it, but you understand, for the nature of the call is a little extreme. For an owner that showed up that was never there. For a captain
When they
that
call
was,
us out there,
I
they
get
call
it.
us out there. So
That's why y'all have to
responding.
listen to both sides of the story.
We did.
But I feel like everything was addressed to me. I'm the one in the backseat.
What took place for this to happen right now, I wasn't there
I'm not gonna
for.
lie, I understand how Miami has to run. Miami, y'all gotta respect the owners of the boats, owners of the water. I get it. If I own the boat, I will need the same respect. I totally get it. But at the same time though, that's why I left. But when I came back to realize that my phone and my other person probably might have been on that boat. And I spoke to a cop before I got out the car.
What I'm going to tell you, like I mentioned earlier when we were out at the marina, there were 3 females who flagged us down saying they have a bag or 2 that belong to somebody on the boat. They didn't say who the name was they belonged to. It's like I mentioned to you, when he came back, he said, hey, I left my bag, camouflage, whatever bag.
So that sounds like 4 people that left a bag on the boat that we all got.
Whoever that person was, we did our due diligence. We went to check the boat. There was nothing there. We checked the whole area you guys were at.
And
those females are no longer there, so we couldn't
my
make
thing is, I
contact
don't
with
know
them.
about the females. All I know
I
is
understand that.
when y'all came and addressed me, I was by myself. There was no females. When y'all came and addressed me.
I understand that. Listen to what I'm saying.
I hear you. I hear
Okay?
you. I hear you.
So at that point,
But I
what
can't,
your request was to check for us to go double check.
for,
we did
for,
that.
for me, not
Right,
for
we did
any
that.
females. I
We
can't
did
speak
that.
for any females that was on the boat.
And
And when y'all came to address me, there was no
I
females.
understand. Just listen to what I'm saying.
I hear you. I hear you.
What you requested for us to do, we went to check. The bag is not there. Okay, so that's why I came to tell you that, because when I came back out, I see that
No,
you
you already told me.
Okay, good.
Sorry.
Okay.
That's the OG right here.
Okay.
OG already told me that. Security.
So we have a supervisor here. Do you need to speak to the supervisor or no?
Can I please speak to the supervisor?
1 second.
Hey, what's his first name?
His first name is Jack.
Jack? Jock? Hey, Jock, what's up, buddy?
What's up, man? Like, yo, look, man, they shouldn't have got this far. I don't think you understood.
I know, man.
I only came back to get my double back in my phone.
Yeah, bro, but hey, we gave you a lawful order to leave. You were acting, now you're calm, but when we were on scene, you were very disorderly, man.
But I was only disorderly because the captain of the boat kicked the door down and I was in the bedroom.
It's a business, man. You gotta take it up with them.
I respect that, and I walked away.
You were yelling, screaming, cursing.
Because before y'all got there, the owner and the owner's wife, you gotta think, bro, it's all non-Spanish and black, bro.
Listen,
they
whatever
just
issue,
going big on me, bro. It wasn't even an issue.
Jock, whatever issue you had with the business, take it up with them. But once we get there on scene, I'm trying to keep the peace, man.
I totally get it, and I was with the peace. That's why I walked away.
No, you weren't, man. Hey, how many times did I have to tell you?
No, I walked with you. You told me
we had
if
to tell
I
you
could
to leave. We had to tell you to leave, and then once we told you to leave, why would you even come back, man?
Because my bag, my phone.
And then when you come back, you're still yelling at me. You're yelling. There was condos. People live there, man, and you're yelling, bro. You're yelling. And I even asked you, hey, what have you been drinking and all that, bro? It's like, I smell it off of you, man.
It's alcohol. It's Miami, bro. We drink,
bro,
but
maybe you gotta tone it down.
But my thing is like I could drink and be focused. I'm so focused.
Well, look, apparently not, man. Not today. Not tonight.
I get it. And I respect it. I respect it totally, but I feel like I feel like
You need the right people around you, man. Get the right people around you that can tell you, like, hey, tone it down, calm down, and put you in the car, not bring you back. Especially when law enforcement already told you, a lawful order, hey, don't come back, man. Don't come back. You're gonna get arrested. You coming back. You're acting disorderly, and then you come back, man. The right people. Who was in the car with you? Nobody that can like talk you down.
But my thing is like, why can't I be by myself? My thing is, you're a human, right?
Oh, hey.
Because I'm a celebrity, I don't have to feel like I gotta be with security, assistant. I feel like as a celebrity, I should be able to be by myself. I don't like being with security. I don't like being with assistant. It's a waste of money.
It's just obviously looking out for you, man. You know
No, but I get it.
Because I even asked you, hey, get your bag, and you were like, hey, pick up my bag.
No, I gave it to security, but I fired security right when we left because he allowed the captain to kick. The captain kicked my door open.
He's the owner of the boat, man. It wasn't even his fault. Your guy's fault.
And I get that. And I told the captain before I left, I said, I know it's not your fault. He called his owner. The owner showed up. He told me, you've been on my boat 4 times. I was like, I never met you before.
We'll see what we can do, man. All right. Best of luck, though.
Thank you.
All right, man.
So,
All suspects are innocent until proven guilty. Thank you for watching.